Hey, hope you all enjoyed that little thing. Anyway, I can go into more detail if you want on how I did it, but since you're here just for the plugin, here it is. Link down below. Password, lean edits, and I don't know what else to show you. It's just straight element. There's no extra stuff. I might release the pack later on. I think, yeah, bye.